my name is Dakota Daniel. I teach 5th grade ELA and social studies. I love Harry Potter and I'm excited to meet you guys.
Hi 5th grade, my name is Miss McMillan and I teach, of course, 5th grade. I teach ELA and social studies. I love reading and writing. I've even had some of my own short stories published and I can't wait to teach you everything I know this year. See you later.
Hi Baker, my name is Miss Blaylock. I am 5th grade math teacher and I'm about to make math your favorite subject.
Hey kiddos, I'm Mrs. Buell. I'm a 5th grade science teacher. I also teach social studies. I'm super excited to get you in my classroom. Fun fact about myself is I like to do poi spinning, which is one step below spinning fire. So I just have 2 balls on strings and I twirl them and hopefully not hit myself. Practice makes perfect, which is gonna help you in school. So, see you all later, bye!
Hey, I'm Mrs. Roth. I teach 5th grade science. I just got married a month ago and I have a super cute dog named Noah.
I'm Mr. Callahan. I teach 5th grade math, social studies, and health. I am a sports junkie. If you have my class, we have a Today in Sports History board, so we get cool, fun facts every day. And hopefully we'll have a fun year. Can't wait to see you guys and maybe learn a little something along the way.
Hi 5th graders, it's Mrs. Leicher here. I'm an ELA teacher. I am so excited to meet you. I love reading and I can't wait to tell you about all the books that I read this summer. See you soon.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Walker. I teach 5th grade ELA here at Beaker Middle School. I can't wait to see everybody. It's been a long break. Hope everyone had fun, was able to get outside and enjoy the outdoors, and I can't wait to see you when you come back.